Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna share with you last Friday the weather changed a lot. So before it was like not so hot, not so cold, it's very nice. We have a very nice weather, but then since last week it changed, it becomes so hot, as in overly hot, humid as well. And last Monday is still okay, but then yesterday it suddenly rained. Though there's news about the rain, but we don't know, or we don't have any idea that it will cause a lot of water or floods. Although here in Karachi, it's very common that whenever it's rain, even it's not a storm, just a simple rain, in just after 1 hour or half an hour, here comes the floods. There's a lot of water already. The main reason is because they don't give so much attention on making the drainage nice. And if there is a drainage, the main problem actually is the garbage. There are lots of garbage anywhere. The one issue that I really don't like here in Pakistan is the garbage. They don't have a strict policy when it comes to segregation of the garbage. One thing that is still that causes this kind of floods is the plastic bags or shoppers. They still using plastics. They are still using plastic bags for shopping. Okay. So ayun nga, kahapon nagyaya ako, sabi ko sa asawa ko, samahan niya muna ako sa Impias at bibili kami ng mga gulay. Simula noon, mga 2 o'clock to 3, biglang lumakas yung ulan. Pero okay pa, hindi pa naman baha, talagang maulan lang. So bumili kami, siguro mga 1 oras lang kami kasi nga 4 o'clock kailangan niya pumunta para sunduin si Wafa, yung panganay naming anak, sa school. So dahil na kampante naman kami na wala namang bagyo at hindi naman ganun kalakas yung ulan, pero nagulat kami kasi nung pauwi na kami. Imagine, from galing sa aming bahay to Impias, it takes only 7 to 10 minutes. Pero the time, inabot kami ng 15 minutes kasi nga lumakas na o tumaas na yung tubig. Biglang tumaas yung tubig at bumaso, kailangan namin maghanap ng ibang way para makarating agad sa bahay. At dahil nga, ang isa pang dahilan is hindi naman lagi-lagi umuulan dito, minsan lang. Like for example, 2 years ago, parang wala talagang ulan, as in, konti lang, parang ambon lang, o kung umulan man, hindi siya ganun ka lakas umulan, okay? Medyo nagbaha ng konti din, pero hindi ganito, hindi katulad ngayon. Minsan lang, minsan may taon na umuulan, may taon na wala talagang ulan. Kaya hindi natin masasabi kung season of rains ba yan. Pero kadalasan, yung ulan nangyayari siya by June, July or August. Mayroon diyang 1 araw na ulan, o kaya 2 araw, o kaya 1 linggo. Pero hindi nangyayari yung as in or rainy season na katulad sa mga tropical countries or doon sa ibang bansa na mayroon talagang 4 season na nangyayari dito. Hindi, wala yung rainy season. At yun din siguro yung dahilan kung bakit hindi nila masyadong binibigyan ng importansya yung paggawa ng maganda o maayos na drainage at pagkakaroon ng strictong policy para sa pagtatapon ng basura o yung segregations of garbage. Wala sila nun. Although may mga areas na nag-i-implement nun, pero not all over the city. May mga private sectors o may mga private places, katulad halimbawa ng military areas o kaya yung mga talagang mga places na may yaman yung nakatira. So mayroon silang strict policies pagdating sa mga basura o sa iba pang bagay na para maging safe yung lugar nila at maging ligtas. At yun ay ang masaklap, yung mga talagang kailangan katulad ng sa mismong city ay hindi nila yun na i-implement, which is very sad. So dahil dyan, kaunting ulan lang, bumabaha talaga, as in bumabaha. So kung hindi ka sanay, medyo kakabahan ka talaga. At hindi lang yun, hindi kasi yung sanay. Nakakatakot din kasi yung may mga electric dyan, may mga tawag dito, yung butas ang daan, dyan baka mahulog ka o kaya bigla kang madala ng malakas na alon kasi nga yun nga, hindi talagang as in nagbabaha siya, para siyang nagiging wala pa sigurong isang oras may kita mo na lumulutang na yung ibang bagay, maraming bagay sa tubig. Hindi kasi nakakatakbo ng dire-diretso yung tubig. So kung nakakatakbo naman siya, hindi ganun karami. So naiipon at bumabaha nga at tumataas ang tubig. So kung hindi ka sanay talaga sa pag-drive o kaya naman ay yung mga sinasakyan na pampublikong sasakyan ay wala, matatrap ka or yun, delikado yung sitwasyon. So ito yung nangyari sa aming anak na panganay at sa kanyang ama. na-stuck sila o na-trap sila sa haba ng trapiko at dahil nga sa baha. So from 4 p.m. nakarating na sila dito sa bahay ng around 8 or 8:30, 8 or 8:30 ganon. Ganun katagal yung kanilang biyahe. Almost 7 hours. Right? At yung iba, lalong-lalo na at napakarami sa balita, napakarami na talaga na-stranded sila or na-trap sila for up to early in the morning dahil nga sa sobrang haba ng trapiko at ng taas ng tubig. Hindi ko pa masyado napapanood ang balita pero wala pa namang ganun kagrabing sitwasyon o trahedyang nangyari. Bigla ring wala din siguro nag-expect at hindi rin kasi nga nabalita talaga na nabalitang
So, ayan nga, nakapasok na yung tubig sa sasakyan. Halos lahat ng sasakyan lumulutang na sa sobrang taas na ng tubig at napakahaba talaga ng trapiko. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, nakalubog na yung karamihan sa mga sasakyan. 8 o'clock, nandito pa rin sa kalagitnaan ng kalsada ang aking mag-aama. Kaya halos hindi na nga makagalaw yung mga sasakyan sa sobrang taas na ng tubig. It was the unforgettable experience of my daughter and my husband in the 2 days heavy rain here in Karachi City last 2 weeks ago. Like what I have said, it's not always raining here in Pakistan, especially here in Karachi City or Sindh province. However, it's not really happening all over the Pakistan. In some places, especially in northern areas, there are almost every year they are experiencing floods and heavy rains. But here in Karachi, it's rarely happening. The problem is, whenever it rains, floods or heavy traffics are expected all over the city. So, if you are planning to come here and visit Karachi or live here in Karachi, this is a good knowledge or information for you to know to make yourself aware of what's really happening here in Karachi City.
Thank you so much, and please, if you want to support my channel and if you want me to share many things about Pakistan, especially here in Karachi and the life here in Pakistan, please support my channel by subscribing, sharing, and give your comments down below if you have any suggestions or requests for me to make a video. This is all for today, and thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day, everyone. See you on my next video.